Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we want to solve for x given that x times x times x plus x is equal to 30. First thing we'll need to do is to express this as x raised to power 3, and then we'll need to move this to the left hand side. So doing that would give me x raised to power 3 then plus x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now I'll break down 30 into 3 and 27 like this. So which means negative 30 is minus 3 minus 27. So the new equation becomes x raised to power 3 plus x minus 3 minus 27 is equal to 0. If I rearrange this, I'll get x raised to power 3 minus 27 then plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. The reason for this is so that I can break down 27 into 3 raised to power 3. And then I'll rearrange the equation again as x raised to power 3 minus 3 raised to power 3 then plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. There is a very common identity for difference of two cubes. When you have a cube minus b cube, this can be expressed as a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared, meaning that x raised to power 3 minus 3 raised to power 3 will now be written as x minus 3 into brackets x squared minus 3x then plus 3 squared, which is 9, then plus x minus 3, which is this guy right here, equal to 0. If we look at the expression on the left hand side of this equation, we'll observe that x minus 3 is common to both terms of this expression, and we can factorize that as x minus 3 into bracket what is left here, which is x squared minus 3x plus 9 then plus 1 is equal to 0. So that x minus 3 into x squared minus 3x plus 10 is equal to 0. In finding the solution to this problem, the first solution we'll see is x minus 3 equals to 0. And the second solution would be from this quadratic equation, x squared minus 3x plus 10 equals to 0. And because this is a quadratic equation, we will observe two solutions from here. But from the very first one, x is equal to 3. That's the very first solution. Now the second solution is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this quadratic equation. On a closer look, we see that this 2 times 5 is 10. This cannot be factorized, so we use the general quadratic formula, which is x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Carefully looking at this quadratic equation, our a is 1, our b is -3, and our c is 10. Now let's slot in these values into the quadratic formula. This will give us x equal to -3 plus or minus the square root of b squared is -3 squared, then minus 4 into 1 into 10, then divided by 2 into 1. X is equal to, this is 3 plus or minus the square root of, this is 9, then minus 40, then divided by 2, which will give us 3 plus or minus, this will be 31, the square root of -31 over 2. So because we have a negative under this radical, this would produce complex roots. And for that reason, we are going to leave this solution. They are actually solutions, but they are not real. So if we actually separate them, you get something like x1 is equal to 3 plus, now -31 under this radical. I'll just leave this, and then that negative will, this I will account for that negative, then divided by 2, or x2, the exact same thing except this is negative now, and square root of 31i over 2. And remember, we got a value for x the other time, which is right here. X is equal to 3. So for the third solution, x3 is equal to 3. So these are the 3 solutions to the problem given. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, remember to click that like button, subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, and if you have any question or a better explanation to this problem, kindly use the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.